Good morning, my dear friends. Sharky, Cheryl. Sharky, you watch the fence, mate. What's the girl with the fence? Oh, did you fluff? Sorry. You look beautiful today. I offer you some first. Beautiful. I give one to Sharky. Sharky. And back to Mum. I tried feeding you together. It's a bit hard if I do it together. You're very gentle today, Sharky. You understand I'm trying to share between you both, so I hope you both stay friendly about it. We share, okay? We share? Want some more? Hang on. Sorry, I didn't mean to be rude. I might have pulled that out of her mouth. Sorry, Cheryl. I apologise. Hang on. Why don't you hop up on the fence, Sharky, and we share? Want to share, Sharky? Okay, hang on a sec. Hang on. Excuse me. Back to Sharky. You're very polite, Sharky. Thank you. Thank you for your politeness. Back to Mum. Hang on. Excuse me for a second. Excuse me. And I hear Dad up and behind me. Are you proud of him, are you, Dad? That's good. Thank you. Some shark is below me at my feet. Thank you so much for being polite and gentle today, Cheryl. I'm very grateful for this. Drink time for Cheryl. What about you, Sharky? You want some? Yeah. Yeah, done. All right, Emilio. Rest for you, mate. Oh, you're beautiful today. Need some fresh water? I'll get some for you. Love you very much. Have a good day.